Hey neighbor, how you doing? It's Miss C, and I've got mail. I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all tell me down below what movie that's from. I switched the words just a little bit, but y'all let me know. I'm pretty sure one of y'all movie buffs or whatever that really like movies know where that's from. But I went to the P.O. box, y'all, and I got mail. I got some packages. I got some packages. I got some packages. Hey, 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 hey. I'm so excited. Y'all know how I love to open packages. If y'all do not know this already, y'all are not my day ones. Because if y'all have took the time to go back and look at my videos, I had an I got mail video. And just as excited as I was back then for that video to open up them packages, even though I knew what one of them was already, I was still excited to open it. I just like opening packages. It's almost like Christmas year round, or your birthday or something. And it's the very end of March, but these are not birthday presents, I don't think. But in all of my videos, I try to make sure in the description box or the bio box down below underneath the video, boop boop down there, I'll put my Snapchat information, my business email, and also my P.O. box. So if y'all would like to send me anything, you are more than welcome. If you would like a shout out, I don't mind doing it. Just send me a card with your name and your information on there, and it would be my pleasure to serve you. And I got my ice water, my living water within here, and then my little ice water. All right now, woo, that's refreshing. So time to open up the packages. Let's see what Miss C got. Come and join me for the excitement. Do anybody else out there love opening packages? I don't know what it is. It's just, I guess, the not knowing of what it is that's so exciting. Or maybe we just like destroying stuff. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling what it is. But I know I do. How about you? Oh, and one of my subscribers left me a comment saying that I looked very pretty in my black and white shirt on one of my videos. And this black and white shirt, this is just a little tank top or whatever, nothing too special, but I was like, okay, well, they liked the other black and white, well, let me try another one. So that's why I have this on. So thank you, boo. Let's see her. Y'all ready? Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh. Okay, it's a CD set from Joyce Myers. And scriptures that changed Joyce's life. My favorite scriptures. Wow. Y'all see that? Sometimes I be holding it too far away. And if y'all don't know what Joyce Myers looks like, this is Mama Joyce. She is the one that has the, I think, Love Life Conference coming up in Florida in October, and I wanted to go with one of my YouTube sisters, but they were out of seats. They were filled to capacity, and I was so sad. My friend is her YouTube channel is Muscle and Marriage, so y'all go check them out. Miss Mandy and Keon, they're a marriage couple, and they talk about marriage things, you know. All the stuff that I be praying for. But they be talking about relationship stuff, relationship goals, how marriage couples, y'all forgive me, y'all know I'm single, but they talk about marriage stuff. So if you married or you got you a boo thing and you want to get married and you would like advice from someone who has a successful marriage, that's where you go. Muscles and Marriage. Yes. So check them out. It's a wonderful channel, and they go out and work out together. Ain't that lovely? I wish I had me a little partner I can go work out with. I would probably exercise about if I had me somebody to work out with, I would probably go to the gym a whole lot more. But yeah, y'all go check them out if y'all married or dating or thinking about getting married. It is a wonderful channel to get some wisdom and knowledge on that topic. But as for my packages, my favorite scriptures by Joyce Myers, this is going to be awesome because Joyce Myers is a powerful, powerful woman of God. And she has been through a lot in her life. Me and her have experienced some similar things, and that's why I gravitate towards Joyce Myers so much in her ministry, because she breaks down the word, honey. When I say if you need some understanding, she can break it down. She breaks it down so from a little kid can understand all the way to a senior citizen. That's a wide range of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So to be able to have a CD set with all of her favorite scriptures, her go-to scriptures, I know that I study the Bible for myself, and I have my own favorite scriptures, but to be able to know some of her favorite scriptures is a blessing. So I'm truly going to enjoy that. Next package. It's a white one. I know it look kind of dirty, but hey, ain't nothing wrong with being a little beat up on the outside as long as there's some goodness on the inside. Y'all like that there? Let me know. Leave it down below. Leave it down below. Because everybody got some war wounds. They might be on the inside. They might be on the outside. Ooh, especially if you rode a bike when you was little. Ooh, I know you got some scars on your knees and your legs, honey, because learning how to ride a bike ain't nothing to play with. Now I'm going to tell y'all a little secret. Y'all better not laugh at me and don't tell nobody. This is between me and you, okay? Nobody else. Missy don't know how to ride a bike. Y'all, I had me a purple BMX bike. I don't know what kind of speed it was, but it was a nice, big, beautiful bike. But the only problem was I was scared to go out and ride it by myself because I was scared of falling down. So I wouldn't take it outside to try to learn how to ride it on my own. So I would wait for my dad to get off of work, and the only thing is I had parents. Both of them work. So on the weekend after working all week long. They tired, they exhausted, they trying to rest. And he took me out there like maybe 3 times to try to learn how to ride that bike. After that, and I didn't get it, look, I just didn't learn how to ride it, but I didn't mind stunting though. Like when all the other little kids would get their bike and go out and ride their bike, I was the person on the bike but paddling it with their feet. Yeah, that was me. Miss C on the bike pedaling around and just standing around looking cool because I had the nicest bike but couldn't ride it. I let my friends ride it a couple of times though, like my close friends, but the other ones I didn't because I didn't like them. But anyway, let's see what is in this package. Okay, another Joyce Myers resource of the month, and it is Action Plan, a Bible study of Colossians. Wow. Y'all see that? It comes with 4 teachings on CD and DVD, a personal study guide, and a Book of Colossians booklet from the Amplified Bible Classic Edition. Do y'all see that? It's a whole package, a whole study. Colossians. Developing deep spiritual roots for true growth and change. Ooh, y'all, I'm be getting my study on. Y'all see that? Let's open it so y'all can see everything. This is great. Cause yes, I love to physically eat. But your body is not the only thing that needs to be fed. Your spirit man, your soul needs spiritual food. And this is a great way to get it. So let's pop on this there. Okay, that's cute. Okay. Okay, so this is the personal study guide. Okay. All right. Look at that. This is the little Colossians book. A letter of Paul to the Colossians. Okay. And right here is the DVDs. This is 1, 2 DVDs, and over here is the, y'all, this is neat. This is some great packaging. And here are the 4 CD sets in the back. So that is awesome. So you have 2 DVDs and 4 CDs with each part of the message or the study on there. Isn't that cool? This was a blessing Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That means I gotta get my study on. This is great. So that's all for my I got mail video today. What I do? So thank you so much for joining me. You are more than welcome to send anything. I'm not asking or requiring or nothing like that. It's up to you. If you want to send something so you can get a shout out, then you are more than welcome. And thank you so much for watching my I Got Mail video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.